Hi guys! Magluto ko og salmon fish with grilled onion and tomato. Hi mga kamamilad! So nagluto ko og rice teaser o rice namo para mag-lunch na dayon nila. Magpanit kong mangga kay magbuhat ko og mango salad. Hi guys! Nagpay ko mangga. Hi! Nanay ka ng mangga. Salad ng mangga. Ha? What's that one? Shada. Pomegranate? Just today, maybe they will eat that one in the, alone with that salad. Ask them. Add for salad or no? Maybe they want to eat that one with the yogurt. What's happened for you? Super happy siya, guys. Give me the ginger. Hi, Aisha. We will cook pancit. Pancit from Pinoy. Sabay nakaon sa kong amo. Ay, ganahan mag-pancit noon. Give me ginger. I will make you ginger if you will not give me ginger. Shukran. Hi, say hi.
That's them.
Say hi.
That's
Say
hey.
hi. Pagod, pero nana ilahang ganahan. Pagod-pagod gamay, pero sa ilalom kay hilaw-hilaw. Wow!